Good day, traders. Yeah, this is what I was since I've talked about the UJ bullishness coming. This is what I'm talking about. Uh, UJ, what I've noticed about trading view is that it has different brokers and different brokers have different historical um for the trades, historical price for the trades. Say like now for UJ has like see these different brokers. So for example, let's go with Owanda. Owanda started having being alive, should I say, lack of better word, on the January 2002 with this candle. January 2002, that's when UJ was alive with their historical price. But this one I'm using FXCM. FXCM, it started trading on this day on January 1971. See, January 1971 was so. This is FXCM for me. It has historical prices, more historical prices than the others. So yeah. Anyway, let's get to it. So what I was looking at. So looking from this, starting from this leg, now we are going up on this leg. So this bullish right here, right? If we look left, it has been used by these candles. So it did come bounce and then it went up. It just shot up. So yeah, this one had the top. It was broken by this bullish candle here. It went flying just to break that one. So this one hasn't been broken, this top. So let's take that top. Remember, this would be a very long-term trade. It's a position trade if you can hold, that is. So this top right there hasn't been broken. So now let's go to the 6 months. Okay, 6 months. You're looking at this body, which is we'll see when we go down. Green, when you go down, it's actually what we call resistance. It becomes resistance for price. So this is our green resistance. Let's go down, down, down. Six months. Okay, this resistance of ours. Here you see it has price since it left. It hasn't came back to pounds on this. It hasn't came back. to retest that bullish order block. 6 months, so we'll use the yellow just so we know which is which. So this one, price might bounce on this high here, but then I've used this one because I thought this candle right there had already taken out this high, but price can still come down. So what I'm doing is just putting it, but we'll make sure we'll check. So another body resistance here for the 3 months, it's here. So let's look on our left if we have something. So this one has been taken, and the fair value gap has been closed right there. So this top right here, this top, you might take it as well as after price breaks down this white line, it might come to this top, because as you can see over here, there's another fair value gap there's another fair value gap there. This big one. But let's check. Let me check on 12 months. Just wanna see if okay, that fair value gap for the 12 months starts from here, and then it goes to here. So let's do this. Right. Oh, right. Okay. So this fair value gap starts from here. So let's see, but we'll try and refine it. See, when you refine it, it comes to here. Alright, let's go down to a month. Monthly chart. Monthly chart gives us this fairly gap here. Okay, gold purple monthly, so we don't get confused which is which. So that's what monthly gives us. Let's go down to weekly and see. Okay, the weekly gives us that. If you can see right here, there was a liquidity that was taken out. Trying to look for something. That was liquidity. It's a weekly. There's liquidity that was taken out by this sweep here, and then it went up. And then here there was liquidity that was taken out. All this liquidity from here, it was taken out by this. So it might be when it was rushing up, it was rushing to take out all this liquidity. Okay, let's go down the daily. Okay, let's fix our lines. Alright, there we come to that liquidity that was taken over. On the side. Okay, now what the daily can give us is, let's see, there is this. See this bearishness. Oh yeah, this bearish fair value gap. Sorry, this bearish OP. So this liquidity that was taken in, liquidity that was taken in, so we'll start using our so now there is another one that happened over here. There was liquidity that was taken over here. Okay. Straighten the line. There was another liquidity that was taken over. Yeah. So we're moving up. So yeah, remember this DTR values on top of 50 is the premium, below 50 it's the discount. If price is bullish, if price is bullish, we don't buy on top of 50, when it's on premium, because there's a high chance of it pulling back. If price is bearish, we don't buy when it's on discount, because there's a high chance price might pull back towards the top. So now what we're anticipating is price to come down and then come down towards the discount and then take it up with us. So at the moment there's this bearish OP. So it's either, because now what we are, if you are trading towards the downside, just remember that you are counter trading. You are going against the trend. So for me, I'll wait for price to come down and then give me some sign that is coming up. So this is what I can see on the down, on the discount. This fair value gap, or a gap, this gap right there, this is what I see, and it's under discount. So it's in the discount and under the 75. So price might come down, fill this gap, and then shoot up. And remember, when it goes up, now we are going with the trend. So this, you might see this long 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 swings, because they're going to with the trend. When you see short ones, right, just know that it's against the trend. So let's see where you might target. So you can target the top where it tend. You can target that if you want. It's up to you. Let me just drag this. You can target here. You can target also if you can hold. Remember, this is the 6 months. This green line is the 6 months resistance that we talked about. As you can see, what was happening along this resistance, along this line. So that's what I'm saying. Say resistance. Let's go to this, just show you under the line. You see, you want to change it to line. You see, there's some, when you move it over, price touched, came up, went down, touched, went up, touched, went up, came back, touched, and all those that happened there. So that's what I'm saying is the resistance. So you can target that resistance, 3 months resistance, 6 months resistance, or you can target the yellow one. Remember, the yellow one is the 3 months, 3 months resistance, and there's another 12 months resistance. If you can still hold, can hold for the 12-month resistance. Oh, there's a fair value gap right there. It's up to you. It's just an outlook what's coming on USDJPY. So it's up to you which one can you hold up to. If you can hold up to where it bounced, it turned, or 6 months resistance, 3 months resistance, or the beginning of the family gap, which is that 6 months. Is it 6 months? Yeah, 6 months top. So yeah, this is what I was talking about when I was saying that I think some bullish moves coming on DJ. These are the bullish moves that are coming. Happy trading all and good luck.